Guys, I'm behind the camera today. This is my friend Carolina, and today we are making Milhojas together.
Hola chicos y chicas, hoy estamos en la cocina de Ameerah y vamos a preparar milhojas, un postre tradicional de Latinoamérica, y en Colombia al dulce de leche le llamamos arequipe. Esa es la única diferencia entre varios países que tienen milhoja.
Wow, that was a lot of Spanish. You have had Milhojas, right?
Yeah, for sure.
So you'll be a good critic today.
I think so.
Yeah, okay, so let's just get baking, shall we?
Yeah, for
okay.
Sure.
So first thing we are going to do is to bake the puff pastry. After hours of consultation and deliberation, we decided to cut the sheets lengthwise. You know how you know someone who has never used store-bought puff pastry before? They don't know the sheets the puff pastry is wrapped in is actually suitable for baking. A little adjusting and it goes in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. Oven temperature is between 160 to 180 degrees. They're all done. We're gonna let it cool slightly for a bit before we assemble. It doesn't get easier than this, guys. Prior to filming, I made my dulce de leche, or arequipe as it is called in Colombia. The magic number is 4 hours, guys. I have another video where I explained how this is done. I have linked it in here and it should pop up somewhere in the upper right corner, I think. We also have some pastry cream that will be slathered in the middle of the puff pastry. I have another video that will pop up somewhere showing how that is done as well. Super easy. All measurements will be in the description box. One mistake we made was not cutting it further prior to baking. So anyway, you take one of the cut pastries and slice it down the middle. Get your pastry cream and spread away. For some reason, this reminds me of home. So we'd buy fresh bread. It will get sliced just like this, and you get to choose if you wanted butter or mayo spread in the middle. I always went with butter because mayo is trashy stuff. Cover your thing and give it a generous coat of the arequipe. Repeat with the others, and guys, really, that is it. I dusted some powdered sugar on top because I think it looks nicer. This is hands down the easiest thing I have ever made on here. It is so easy it feels incomplete. Now it is time for Carolina to give it a taste test and let me know how I did. Yeah.
Well, you're supposed to eat it with your hands.
Do you want some serviette? Okay, sure. There you go. Okay. So how does it taste? Does it taste like okay?
Well, it's amazingly good. Yeah, I love it.
Okay, I can't try it now because I can't eat sweets now, but I'll try it later. And yeah, so thank you, Carolina. We should do this sometime again.
For sure.
Yeah, I don't know when, but we should do it again sometime. Yeah,
we will find the time.
Yeah, definitely. So guys, that is it.
Bye.
I'll give my review when I eat my own parts. Bye. So guys, I finally tried the Milhojas and I think it is a really good dessert. It is super easy as you have seen and my friends liked it. I definitely recommend you try this one out. So you can decide to go easy on the arequipe and focus more on the pastry cream if you do not want it all that sweet. Special thanks to Amna, Nikolai, and of course Carolina for featuring in this very spontaneous video. You guys can tell this is not my regular type of video, but I think I like this one. Anyway guys, thank you for watching and I'll see you next week. Bye.